Hi guys, Rich here at ITS. I just wanted to talk to you about the great deal we've got on with our Cordless Kit Builder right here at the moment. If you haven't used our Cordless Kit Builder before, then where have you been? It's the best place for you to build your very own cordless kit exactly the way you want it, without any of the tools or gumph that you're never going to use. So don't pay for tools that you're never going to use, and certainly see everything that's compatible. So if you're into Makita, you can build your own Makita kit, DeWalt kit, Milwaukee kit. We've got Bosch, Works, Ryobi, all the big brands and some of the smaller ones too. Really nice, quick and easy and convenient way for you to build the exact kit the way you want it. All your batteries, chargers, tools and storage all in one place on the ITS Cordless Kit Builder. And right now we've got something extra special. If you're going to build yourself a cordless kit, now's the best time to do it, because before the 28th of September with the ITS Kit Builder you can get yourself some free of charge goodies. And I don't mean the usual rubbish that you get elsewhere. This is some serious good stuff. So anyone building a cordless kit over 750 quid plus VAT can claim themselves one of these brilliant HD sports cameras, just like the one I'm handing out here in front of me. That's worth 80 quid, and we can give that to you completely free of charge on any cordless kits over 750 quid right now. Or if you want to push a little bit further and really have a look at your entire cordless kit, redesign your entire cordless kit, and you're going to be spending over £1,000 on the ITS Cordless Kit Builder, then you can have one of these awesome HD ready drones. Like all the cool kids these days, you can fly this all up and record yourself some really nice videos from up there in the sky with its HD camera. It's got the remote control with it as well, so you can plug your phone in, control it via your phone and using the remote control as well. That's worth 190 quid, and we will give you that completely free, or you can choose rather between the drone or the action cam on any kits that you place that are over £1,000 plus the VAT. So it's the ITS Cordless Kit Builder, the home of building your very own cordless kit exactly the way you want it. And right now you can get yourself a completely free of charge action camera or drone, depending on how much you're spending on the cordless kits. So that is only available here exclusively at ITS until Monday the 28th of September. Happy kit building, and I'll see you soon.